Hey guys, this is the Midea 12,000 BTU window air conditioner sold at Costco. This cools up to 550 square feet room. It also has Wi-Fi so you can connect with your phone and smart home, and it's right now at $80 off at Costco. It's only $319. Guys, here we have the Midea 12,000 BTU up to 550 square feet window air conditioner. So this is a different design. It has a U shape, so it allows you to open the window and it will not fall. And right now it's on sale at 320 right here. U shape, so you can open the window so you can have fresh air, and that's a 12,000 BTU right here. And right now it's on sale at $80 off at Costco. It works with Google and Alexa. It has a remote control as well. And so look at this. So the specs are right here. You can see 12,000 BTU. It's as low as 32 dB. It has the air ionizer technology. What's inside, and this is the installation. So you're gonna have right here a ceiling foam. Then you close the window up to here, so it allows you to open the window so it's not gonna fall. Right, the U-shaped design. So it's pretty cool. Let me show you the air conditioner in real right here. So it looks like this. So you can connect to Wi-Fi here with the connect button. It used the smart control M app to control and smart home app to control. So you can use your phone to control this. You have connect, timer, eco mode, different mode, the auto, cool, dry fan. So 3-in-1. It doesn't have heat. So the arrows allow you to adjust temperature. It has the fan mode on low, medium, high. And the sleep mode, this is on newer air conditioning. Swing, it's swing. So it's gonna open this up, I think. Open right here. So it's a pretty nice design actually. And the back is like this. I'm gonna show you on the top. Right here. So I like the U-shaped design, so you can open the window. It's not gonna fall. And it opens up like this, as you can see. 22 inches to 25, or 22 feet to 25 feet. Window opening 22 inches to 30 inches wide. Pretty cool. Some media. Aircon. So it says right here, less noise, more light, save energy. So it can be as quiet as 32 dB, and you can use the smart home to control this with your phone and Google Home. And so that's pretty good deal right now if you don't want to have a portable air conditioner. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.